going through the journey ourselves here to figure out what's the right time to hire.
Yes.
Again, it really depends on the founder profile, the market that you're selling to, and that determines whether you want a sales hire or not. But you still, the job of a founder early on, at least the way we understand, is that it's how do you eliminate you continuously, right? And you want to get to a point where system works without you, and uh, everything everything that is external facing is the most complicated systems where you can't replace yourself, because a lot of the early customers not buying the product, they're buying you. And if you can get to the point where they're buying the product, uh, and you figured out the story around the product and the roadmap, then you are able to go get someone who can take that message, take that product, take the ICP definition, and go replicate that. But again, it depends. I've spoken to other entrepreneurs who do it very early. Even though they are first time entrepreneurs, they are able to, even after they get 5-10 customers, they're able to go figure out, hey, this is my story, this is my playbook, and they can go hire salespeople and replicate that. That's something I'm also trying to learn. But again, you have to figure out, again, your combination of market, your combination of your skill set, and do you really know what product you are selling.